Hey, what's up everybody, man? It's your brother, my Prophet, man, back again with another video, man. What we finna do today, man, we about to install some ice blue headlamps. I already have my high beams, some ice blue high beams as well from my old charger light, from my charger lights from my old journey lights, but I still have an extra set as well. So, but other than that, man, we about to install these. They look like this. They have like a little, pretty much like an actual bulb or whatever, or plug-in. But other than that, we finna install that, man. This is gonna be a real quick video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go like, share, make sure you go like and share the video. Smash that subscribe button, man, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video, man. Let's get it, man. Top two out, so you get one more out. So you have the clip right there. This right here. You need to put your flathead in there. Push it down. Your light assembly should come all the way out. Yep. This connector right here connects to your headlight assembly. So what we need to do now, we need to get a 220 bit, which is a little star bit. You need to remove these screws. You have 1, you have 2, you have 3, and you have 4, and you have 5 screws. Remove the case. Just like that, down. And it's going to reveal your bulbs. So once again, I already have my high beams ice blue, so I'm just gonna need to replace this one right here. Let's go ahead and move that. So you can see the 2 screws on there as well. Pulls right out. You don't have to do any turning or twisting. Pull directly out. Remove this plate right here. Make sure your screws don't fall out. And just make sure you watch how it's assembled. So the plate, and you have this piece as well. If y'all can see it. So all I want to do is unplug it. Literally, just unplug it. That's literally it. It's the old bulb. Plug that in. So before we put it back together, we just want to make sure it cuts on when we cut the headlight on. And we put it all the way in. So it does cut on. You see the light is blue. So I just want to put everything back together. Lincoln emblem on the front. About to take a quick drive real quick. This is with the ice blue headlights. They are a lot brighter once again. These are the ones I had on my charger. And also the one on my Dodge Journey as well. Same thing. You can only get, if you didn't know, now you know, you can't just drive with like red lights and stuff like that. They gotta be either white, ice white, ice blue, or it gotta be the regular stock halogen bulbs. But other than that, y'all couldn't give y'all a what is it called? Compare and contrast video with the stock versus these ice blue ones. Obviously, it's going to be better in general because the stock ones are stock. They're not going to be as bright. These are like 10 times brighter than the regular stocks. But the other reason I didn't do it, so this is 2 videos in one. I was putting on my fog lights and doing this as well. So this is why I didn't do a stock video. It's no point to take everything else, put everything back on and take everything back apart, do the same thing. So these are the high beams. Those are the high beams. Those are the high beams. Once again, it's a lot brighter. And once again, also I have my fog lights on here as well. So with this video, once again, it's a double video. So these do have my fog lights as well. Go ahead and make this U-turn. So once again, it is a lot brighter. You can see further on the road. It'll be obvious difference once you put these in.